If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? Hope you're all doing fantastic out there today. Just wanted to bring you in here for this short-term trade, capitalizing on a false breakout from earlier this month. Hope you guys enjoy. See you next time. Peace. We're here on the 5-minute contracts. Let me go ahead and set my take profit order here for 26. So we will automatically be taken out of the trade with profit once we reach $26 per contract, landing us about a nice $62 profit there. So any moment now, getting pretty close. There we are, getting right there. There it is. Perfect, guys. So we were able to capitalize on that nice short-term downward swing. As you can see, it appears that the current trend is an uptrend, but is actually a downtrend. Let me bring you over to the chart. So here we are here. You can see this candle was my trigger candle here. We actually had a long wick to the upside, closing beneath the center Bollinger Band. That indicates to me that the upward pressure will be a false break to the upside, if at all present in general. So as you can see, we did see that break to the upside, but immediately squandered, and we were able to capitalize on that downward swing. So now we are starting to see that momentum shift into a downward trend continuation here on the lower time frames. On the higher time frames, there is a sell trend already in progress, or a downtrend already in progress. So here we go. That's why you see these moves are much bigger, more concrete moves with the sells in comparison to the uptrend. You can see a lot of long wick activity on the Heikin-Ashi candles, and a lot of just indecision going forward as it goes up. And you can also see, as I always state in the videos, there is a bit of volume divergence. As the pair continues upward, the energy is not continuing upward as strong. So as you can see, that's basically what we are working with here. Also, we were breaching the RSI previously leading into this zone, which means that the upward trend is in an undesirable spot for continuation. The upward trend is overdue in many ways. One being the volume divergence as stated, and then with the RSI, we're also towards the upper side of the Bollinger Bands leading into this trade. So bringing you back to the regular candles here. And like I said, with the long wick activity right there, closing underneath the center Bollinger Band, that was my trigger candle for this particular trade. So kind of a short one today, guys, but I just wanted to show you the power of utilizing these different technical indicators when they're lined up together. That is how you find these perfect storm trading scenarios. So basically, I'll leave you guys with that. If you want to see more, be sure to like and subscribe for more. If you want to trade with me, make sure you check out the shadow trading program in the link down below, where we trade 5 nights a week, Sundays through Thursdays, from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to take trades on your own time and learn the methods that I show in a lot of videos here in a video breakdown series, then be sure to check out the Informed Traders educational package, where you can take those tools and trade on your own time on any time frame. But if you like more of a hands-on but not having to find the trade approach, then check out the shadow trading program. That would be more for you. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. Stay safe out there, and I'll catch you next time. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below, and let's start making this money together.